Hey guys, it's your girl J to the ODY. It's that flavor baby. Yes. And I'm back with another video. Yes. So you guys, I am back with a haul. As you can see by the title, I did receive some stuff from SHEIN. Yes, it's gonna be my first SHEIN haul. I am very excited for it. So let's get into the first look. The first outfit that I have is this top and these pants. So this top I'm going to use for pretty much the whole try on because it's the only top that I got, but they go great with these pants. It's a tube top. So this was $2.99 because you buy a purchase a certain amount and then you get choices to pick from $2.99. So that's how I got this top. So it's kind of cute. It is very thin and it's stretching out a lot, and I don't even have big boobs, but you guys can see how the lettering is kind of stretching. I don't know how that's supposed to be how it is or what, but it's definitely stretching out, but not a lot, so it's not that bad. But it is kind of giving see-through. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, the wording is cutting off, but it's kind of a little bit thinnish. Not really that much, but it is a little bit see-through. But it's definitely a cute top. I wouldn't buy it full price, but it's definitely a cute top to wear. I like how it's very simple. The Boston 1986. I think that's really cute. It fits great. I don't have no problem with the fit. How it looks from the back. So yeah, all in all, it's a pretty cute top. This pants is like a stacked pants. It has a split on the side of the feet. As you can see, it's ruffled at the bottom. It is high-waisted and it has a lot of stretch. I think a little bit too much stretch. The pants is a small also. And I feel like it's very loose. I feel like I could have got an extra small because it has such a high stretch to it. I like how it looks on me. It definitely looks really, really good. It's just that it's a little bit too big because when I lean forward, you can see how it's grouping up all over. But at least it's not that tight where it's like printing out all of like my little fatty fat areas. So that's okay. I just wish it was tighter in these areas, but this is really, really cute. Like, I love these pants. I love how the leg part is. Like, it's so freaking cute. Yeah, so these are definitely a plus. For the top, I would definitely give this top like I'm gonna give this top like a 7 out of 10, just because like it is very like thin and see-through-ish, so it's not giving like high quality, but it's definitely cute on the stylish factor of it. This pants I'm gonna give a 9 out of 10 just because it's a little bit too big, but other than that, it's really great. Like, I'm really loving it. It's really cute, very stylish, and I still will be wearing it even though it's like this. I don't know if maybe I can get it taken in on the side, or I'll just wear it like this. Like, it's not that bad, and you can like take pictures like this. But yeah, it's cute. I like this outfit. Okay guys, so this is the second look. I am loving this jacket. Yes, ignore the top underneath. I'm just gonna keep this on for a while. But this is the jacket. Let me zip it up so you guys can see what it looks like. Not zipped up, buttoned up. So it's a cute little varsity jacket. It has a B on the chest part. It's fabric. This is the fabric. It's very thick. The jacket thieves are very short though, but it's a cropped jacket, so you can just roll up the sleeve like this. I like that better anyways than having it down. It doesn't have any pockets at the front, which I would have liked to be able to put my hand in here, but that's okay. So this is what it's given. Let me move my hair. So this is what it's given. This is what it looks like with the sleeves down. This is what it looks like with the sleeves up. Turn it around. This is what it looks like at the back. As I said, it is cropped, so you can see it's the same length as the other top underneath. So definitely that. And then it has white buttons, and when you unbutton it, this is what it's given. This is how it looks with the sleeves up. And this is how it looks with the sleeves down. I prefer the sleeves up, honestly. So we'll keep it like that. So I really like this jacket. It's very thick. It's lined it's not lined, but it's thick anyways. Right here has like more double lining, like where the buttons are. That'll keep your chest warm. But yeah, I really like how this look. I like the cropping. I like that the shoulders are not giving broad baseball player. It's like giving like really cute. This is gonna go great with my black and white shoes or anything else. It can go with a lot of things. And right now it's getting into that weather where it's like out of winter into spring, and so it's like the days are up and down. Some days it's really nice, some days it's a lot chillier. So this is perfect for those days where it's a little bit chilly outside and you want to grab a jacket to put over your clothes. Period. The next item is these pants. I am in love with these pants. I knew from I bought them that they were going to be like my favorite, but now that I have them on, like I'm even more in love. They are long, so they're not gonna be like water pants, because like they're on the floor, like basically touching the floor. And so with shoes, they're not gonna be like short. It is a little baggy right here still, but it's not that bad. I think that's just a me problem. I'm thinking it's not the pants. I think it's a me problem. Like it's just baggy right there. But I love how it kind of like, I'll come closer so you guys can see how it goes down into like a V. So I think that's really cute. Gets me to show off my little belly button ring, of course. And it makes me have like hips, you know, it gives a lot of curve to me. It is like a material, like a very, like, I don't know, liney material. What would this call, these lines? We're gonna have a line, but it is a little see-through. As you can see my hand right through it. So be mindful of that with whatever underwear you're wearing. Black underwear is always good to go underneath any color because it will not show pretty much. It depends, but black underwear is always my first choice, thong or G-string or whatever. Yeah, so I really like how this fits. This is how it looks at the back. And it's very nice. Like the top part has like a thick band for the waist, so you know that's gonna hold you in, and then it kind of ruffles into like this V shape. So it definitely gives you like a tone. Like I feel like it gives you like a nice shaping to your body with it, and it's just so cute. And I love the fact that it's not short. It's a cute little bell bottom. It's definitely giving Y2K, period. And yeah, so I'll rate this jacket a 10 out of 10, period. This jacket is a 10 out of 10, period. It is cute. I love it. I love the fact that I can bring the sleeves down or up, so that's okay. Goes on so easily. I love it. It's just so cute. It's so flattering. It's definitely the color block thing is happening with the black and white. It's cute. Oh, and this B is kind of like a furry material. So it's like a fur. So yeah. So 10 out of 10 for the jacket, period. For the pants, oh my gosh, I want to give this pants a 10 so badly. Only thing I don't like about it is this bagginess. I know it's going to annoy me like when I actually try to wear it. So I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10 again, just because of that, because of the bagginess. I think it's a me problem, but I don't know. So we're just going to give it a 9 out of 10 to play it safe. It's a 9 out of 10, but I love these pants. Like literally, I wish it could be like a 9.5. 9 3/4. I love it. I love it. Next. Okay guys, so this is the second pants that I'm wearing, or third pants. This one's more like a jeansy material, but it has a lot of stretch. Very much a lot of stretch. I was pretty confused on how to put it on because the tag is here. But when I tried it on putting the tag at the back, it didn't look right. It was even more baggier than this. So I put it here, so the tag is now at the front. So I don't know if that's right or wrong. If you know, please do not hesitate to tell me so when I wear it, I don't look weird. But this is what it's given right now. I'm still having this front baggy part. So I swear that's a me thing. I don't know. It's just a me thing right here. It's just like this front baggy part right here is just not. So I have all this space in here that I don't need. But other than that, it's pretty cute. I'll probably just have to take it in. I've taken all of them for that to go. It fits good. It's definitely fitting good. I can bend in it and everything, so that's good. It also has a stacked bottom. It's less of a stack, but it's very cute. I love the kind of ruched look that's on the side. It does need to iron a little bit if I'm gonna wear it. It's not too tight. I love how the legs fit. The only part that's rubbing me wrong is this part and the inability to know where to put the tag. But other than that, it fits pretty good. It doesn't feel like weird or anything. It feels good, and I love the bottom of it, how it looks. I'm gonna have to give this pants an 8 out of 10 because of the reason, because I don't know where I'm putting the tag, and it looks a little bit weird and frumpy more than the other ones at the front because of that, and also because of maybe my own issues. I don't know. But other than that, it fits really good. So this is an 8 out of 10. I did buy these shoes. You all know these shoes are these I bought these casual shoes because I was like, I need a shoe that I can put my foot in and just go where I have to go and look stylish at the same time or whatever. So I got these little nude shoes. My only thing is I accidentally ordered 2 by accident. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with the second one. I'm most likely going to have to return it and get something else. But SHEIN, I do realize I was looking online last night, and SHEIN has a great return policy. So I'm going to try to return it to see how quick it can be done and everything. But they seem to have like a pretty easy and good return policy. This is, so these shoes are in size 42, 43. So they look big, but they're actually my size when I put them on. Okay guys, so this is how it looks on my feet. This is what it's given. I think it's very cute, very casual to wear. To go somewhere. It does look like it's big, but I think that's a style of the shoes because it's actually my size. Like my toes are touching the front, and then the back has this extra heel thing at the back that's making it look a lot longer than it is, but it's not that long. But I really like how casual and cute that they look. They look very cute, very, you know, just going to get some stuff from the store, just walking around type of thing. Very comfortable. So I'm really liking them. They do give off big, puffy, but other than that, if you get over the fact of that and you just look at them like novelty and cute, then it does make sense. I'm gonna give these shoes they're kind of sweaty. They're kind of hot already. My feet are hot already, so you might want to wear them with like socks or something. So that's kind of turning me off. I would have liked to wear them without socks, but they're really hot. So I'd have to wear them with socks. I'll give these an 8 out of 10. Yeah, they're just okay. They're just okay. I feel like they could have been cuter and smaller. Like, you know, I feel like they could have had a cuter look. I feel like they didn't have to be so bulky. I feel like SHEIN made them a bit bulkier than they could have been. I feel like this whole heel didn't have to be here, and it would have been fine. So I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10 just because I feel like it's too bulky. But other than that, it's really cute. Like, it's what I expected it to be, just a little bit too bulky. The next item is this cute brown cropped vest. It is so cute. So I ended up getting a medium. I think the small was sold out. So I actually like how the medium fits. Yeah, I actually like how the medium fits. I feel like the small would have been maybe a little bit too small. So I think the medium is pretty cute, the way how it is. Oh, and it looks cute like with what I'm wearing right now. Like, this is a cute outfit together. So I'll get closer so you guys can look at the jacket. This is what it looks like. I mean the vest. This is what it looks like. Just a puffer vest, brown. I really wanted a brown puffer vest. I've been wanting one. I actually wanted a brown jacket also, but jacket season's over, so I just got the vest. It fits really cute. This is how it looks at the back. It's cut at a really good spot. So I like that. This is how it looks zipped up all the way to the neck. That is really cute. Still does not have pockets here, but that's okay. I don't think a lot of vests have pockets there. But yeah, this is cute. The vest is definitely sending me. The vest is sending me on a different level. So yeah, the vest is definitely, I'm gonna give the vest a 10 out of 10. The vest is popping. The vest is exactly what I wanted it to be. I was even worried that it was gonna be too big because I got the medium instead of small, but the medium seems to be perfect. Not too big, not too small, just cute and casual. I actually am in love with this vest. This is probably my favorite item out of this whole haul right now because it just fits so cute. Like, it's really cute. So the vest is a 10 out of 10 for sure. So this is the last but not least dress. I'm covering up my nipples because it's very see-through. It's actually a swimsuit cover up, so that's why it's see-through. So I can't turn around because you guys are gonna see I'm wearing my underwear that I'm wearing. You guys will see my butt because it's a thong. So I'll come close and turn around. So this is what it looked. It was a little bit confusing to tie at first, but we did eventually get it. So it is connected to the top part right here. So it does tighten it when you tie the back of the dress. It does. So yeah, it is down to my calves for the fit. I love how it fits. I think it fits really beautifully. It curves me out very nicely. As you guys can see from my underwear, they look really nice with a bikini underneath. Definitely holds you in a nice way. So you can probably wear this if you're going out to dinner while on vacation or something like that also. Because I think it is really cute if you wear like a swimsuit underneath it, depending on where you're going. I wish it was in a black and not this yellow color. I think the yellow color will be cute. Like if I'm going back to Jamaica now, goody. If I'm going to Jamaica, then yes, this will be cute. Like the color definitely will look cute on the island, but I think it would be cute if it was a black for me per se. I'm gonna rate this dress an 8 out of 10 just because I don't like the color. Other than that, I would definitely rate it an 8 out of 10 because I think it's really sexy for vacation. And if it was a different color, I would definitely enjoy it a lot more. But I'm definitely feeling it. It's really cute and I love how it curves me out. Hey guys, so this is the last outfit in the haul. So this is actually not a part of the things that I ordered. I actually went to the SHEIN pop-up shop that was in Toronto last month, and I had gotten these this set from there. So it's a two-piece set, like a workout set. This top does have a bra underneath. It has a built-in bra, which I love very much because it holds you in. You won't have to wear a bra with it. The top fits great. It's kind of cropped and not too cropped at the same time. It has a symbol. It has a symbol in the back, very neat. And the pants is so cute because the pants actually have the V kind of style that I enjoy. So you can show off your little belly button and everything, and it does give you like nice curves. The pants goes all the way down to my ankles, as you can see, and it also has a symbol on the leg right there. That's how it looks at the back. It is a bit see-through, so when you're wearing it with things, you have to be mindful of that. As I say, black is always the best. This outfit, I've tried on a couple times. I know how it fits and everything. For me, I rate this outfit. I rated like a 9 or 10 out of 10. The reason why is the top is actually a medium, and the pants is a small. They have two different fits because the top, as you can see, is very like tight on me, whereas the pants has a lot of room. So they fit a lot differently. But other than that, it's a really cute set. That's given everything that it needs to give, especially with the built-in bra on the top and the V waistline on the pants. So I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10, girl. Hey guys, so that brings us to the end of my SHEIN haul. I hope you guys liked the looks from today. Let me know in the comments below what you liked, what you might be picking up for yourself, what you didn't really like on me, any opinions or thoughts you had on the items that I picked out. Of course, all the links for everything I tried on today will be in the description box below. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So I will see you guys on my next video. It's your girl J to the ODY. It's that flavor, baby. Yes. Bye.